Regardless of the number of bathrooms and sinks, the systems for handling water and waste are the same. In this example, the plane has 3 bathrooms as well as sinks in the galleys. One of the 3 bathrooms is at the front, behind the flight deck. The other 2 at the back. In addition, there are sinks in the galley stations forward and rear. Water is pumped from a 190-liter, 42-gallon tank located under the floor panels at the rear. Heated water lines and a heated blanket prevent the water from freezing. A water heater near each sink runs hot water through a water mixer to regulate the temperature of the water coming out of the faucet. Gray water from the sinks is drained through heated gray water drain masts at the front and mid-rear of the underside of the aircraft. This gray water drains in flight and evaporates in the air. Black water from onboard toilets is handled differently. It is stored in a waste tank to be emptied after landing. At altitudes below 4,900 meters, 16,000 feet, a vacuum generator creates suction to pull waste into the tank. Above 4,900 meters, the vacuum generator is bypassed because the difference in pressure inside and outside the aircraft creates the necessary suction.